You know,
Have you ever seen devastation like this before?
well, at my high school prom, but that was mainly to virginity.
Okay. This is tough. This is tough. Have you seen any survivors so far?
We haven't moved the rubble yet.
We've been going around putting big X's on the tents.
Okay.
You got any spray paint?
Yeah. We need
This is just horrific.
we're waiting for the food carts.
Yeah. Rick Perry, where are you?
Call FEMA.
Call FEMA. It's another one down. I know you're all traumatized.
You want to know how we feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
I'm not sure. I'm not awake yet.
Okay, get more coffee.